So a very good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. K. Srinivasan, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, SR Institute of Science and Technology, Ramapur, Chennai. Today we are going to discuss about, so what is depreciation? So what are the different methods of depreciation to be used in the organization as well as the industry. So everyone know that every fixed asset is liable to reduce its value due to usage, obsolescence, lapse of time. So now we are going to know about, so what is depreciation. So generally the depreciation, it is calculated to ascertain the true value of asset. You know that every fixed asset is liable to reduce its value due to usage except land. The land alone, the value should be appreciated in nature. Apart from every asset, if the value of fixed asset is declining due to lapse of time. So what is meant by depreciation? So depreciation is the permanent decline in the value of asset due to usage of asset. So depreciation, it decline the value. So it is find out to know the present value of asset for the each year. Then only you can able to know about the true value of asset. The value of asset is there in the organization. Next, what are the different types of depreciation? There are 8 types of depreciation is there. The first one is straight line method, return down value method, discounted cash flow method, mission hour rate method, then sum of years digit method, annuity value method, sinking fund method, and insurance policy method. The first one is the most commonly used method is straight line method. It is also called as fixed installment method. So depreciation it is given on the constant amount. The amount of depreciation is fixed for each and every year. It is very easy to calculate the depreciation. Under the straight line method, the depreciation is calculated original value of asset minus scrap value divided by the number of years of life. So the depreciation is calculated till the value of asset become nil. The second one is return down value method. Under this method, the value of depreciation is to be charged on the some percentage. The percentage based that the value of depreciation is calculated. And third one is discounted cash flow method. So based on the discount factors, the value of depreciation is calculated under the depreciation. Then fourth one is machine hour rate method. The depreciation is calculated based on the number of hours the machine is operated. Based on that, the value of depreciation is calculated. Then annuity value method. According to the annuity value, based on that, the depreciation to be calculated. The formula for find out the amount of depreciation under the annuity value method. So here the cost of machine into annuity value of annuity value. So based on that, the depreciation to be calculated. Under the sum of years digit method, the rate of depreciation is calculated based on the digit factors. So the digit factors, it is given to year. Based on the years of digit, the value to be found. Then sinking fund method. Under the sinking fund method, the depreciation value to be allotted to this sinking fund. It means for certain amount of money is transferred to under this method, under this sinking fund. So when the machine value become nil, the new machinery to be replaced with the help of this fund. And finally, the insurance policy method. Under this method, the depreciation to be claimed based on the insurance value. So every machine to be insured, based on that, the value of once a machine become when the machinery is obsolete, when it is not come to use, the value of money to be claimed by the insurance company. So these are the methods to be used in this depreciation. The most commonly used method under the companies only for straight line method and return down value method. These are the most important method. Everyone should know that under this two method. Thank you for watching this video.